Here's just a short little video of the Portofino Island resort here in Pensacola Island in Florida. So there's this is the main swimming pool area. There's 4 towers, you can see them. It's sort of built apparently 2002, 3, and then up to 27, 28. So just over here is there's the bar, and they've got some heaters going. Panorama. There's a restaurant underneath those white canopies. So a couple hot tubs here. Each of the towers has their own pool and hot tubs. Just take a walk down the wharf here. Oh, look at this sun. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but sort of. See how the sun is sort of behind the clouds coming out? This is the end of February, and today it was like 23, 24 Celsius, but it's been up to 27. So let's just have a look at the beach here, in case you're planning on coming here. So, wow, look at this. All these chairs are reserved. Something's going on here tonight. So this is what's called the Sound side. On the other side, to my left, is the Gulf of Mexico, the ocean. It's quite windy out here, obviously. And if I pan right, the water sports, hobby cats, kayaks, paddle boards. They put up those kind of jumpy things for people. It's usually pretty common here. Let's just have a look down. This boat just came in today. It's the boat for watching dolphins right off the resort. Walk down to the end here. It's like catamaran. Just came out of winter storage. I bet it's nice and clean inside. Look at that. They haven't put the chairs down inside yet, but let's just have a look here. Miss Sebi, Pensacola Beach, Florida. I love boats, so this is pretty cool for me. These are like twin Suzuki 350, so 700 horsepower on this this guy here. And I'll just pan out. There you can have another look at the resort area. We're staying in the tower right in front of us, building 4, 17th floor. The view is phenomenal from up there. I think I posted a video on YouTube on it. And this is very swimmable in here. It's beautiful sandy bottom. It's not a gucky sound like a lot of sounds. And way, way, way down there is the bridge that eventually takes you to Pensacola proper. Just pan around. So this is obviously like a swimming area for, protected from boats. And on the weekend, a lot of boats come in here. This is February. There was about, a dozen boats just pulled up on that shore. It's like a destination. And these are all your jet ski rentals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like they have 12. If you like that sort of thing, it's all here. It's just, a fabulous spot. Really nice. getting a little cold, so I'm going to go in. So let's just say goodbye to